Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this really beautiful, sultry, sexy, smoky look. I absolutely love the way that this turned out, and I'm really happy with just the outcome. I've never done a look like this, and to be honest with you guys, it's one of those looks that's always intimidated me. I just think that I'm a heavy-handed person, and I didn't think I'd be able to achieve this kind of look, but I am so happy I did it. I'm so happy I did it because I did it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using one of my favorite brands, let's go. Alright guys, so I did one eye already. I'm going to take Melt Cosmetics Classic, and I'm just going to use this to set the primer I applied, which is my Lane Low Paint Pot by MAC. I'm now going to take Blur with a Wayne Goss blending brush, and I'm going to use this color all over my lid. And I need to hold my little piece of tape down because I removed too much of the glue. So I'm just going to push against that. I love Blur. This is like one of those shades that everyone needs. It helps when you want to blend something. It helps when you want to fix something. It's just a perfect color. I'm going to take this shade, which is Unseen. It's another great color, and I'm actually going to use the same brush, and I'm going to start using this to map out where I want some of the depth to kick in. I'm taking Enigma, and this is the dark matter stack, guys. Just so you know, this is one of my favorite stacks ever. This is a number 14 brush, by the way, and it's by Ruffer. I'm just using this to define the outer corner and just really kind of map out the shape I'm going for. I'm going to use Burnish Liner by Melt Cosmetics. I love this shade. It's such a beautiful shade. And I'm going to apply it with a MAC 210, which is my favorite liner brush. So I'm going to remove my tape because it keeps lifting, so it's just going to make it harder for me to do my liner. So I'm going to go off camera so I can really get that nice wing going. But as you guys can see, the shape is there. It's just a matter of connecting it and then cleaning it up. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is take the black shade in this stack, which is Dark Matter. And I'm going to use the same 14 brush. And I'm just going to take this color and keep it right at the outer corner. And I'm just taking a small amount of it. I don't want too much of the black to peek through. I'm going to go back in with Enigma and the same brush and just diffuse that black out a little bit to keep it softer. Now I'm going to take my liner, and I'm just going to make sure that the black does not overpower the liner, because as you guys can see, I did go over it, which is okay, but I want to make sure that it's nice and intense. I'm just going to go back in and blend this edge out, but I really like the way that this looks. Alright guys, I'm going to take Melt Cosmetics liner in Filth, and I'm going to finish lining my lower lash line. These liners are super creamy, soft, and they last a long time because I've had this one for a while. I'm going to take Unseen, and I'm going to use this with a rougher pencil brush, and I'm going to smudge my lower lash line out just a bit. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Gold Ore, and again, it's Melt Cosmetics. I figured we'll just try and keep it as much of a melt tutorial as possible. They are one of my favorite indie brands. They're one of the first indie brands that I tried. And I remember it was the Dark Matter stack that just kind of got me. And then after that, I mean, just the quality and the size, everything has just been impeccable. So I'm going to take Stargazer, which is another one of their highlighters. This one is a light gold. I'm going to use this tiny little detail brush, and I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight. Their highlighters are stunning also. You can't go wrong with them. For my blush, I'm going to be using Honey Thief, again, Melt Cosmetics. All right, guys, I'm taking Nudist Liner by Melt Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using their lipstick in On The Go. I really love the way that this turned out. I love how simple yet dramatic the eye is, and the lip color, everything just kind of came together beautifully. So I have to say that I am in love. Yeah, I am. I love the way that this looks, and I love Melt Cosmetics. They are one of my favorite brands. They just do such a great job with their products. I love their shadows. I love their highlighters. I love their cream gel liners. I'm also a fan of their pencils. They're so creamy and smooth, very similar to the texture of their gel, but not obviously not as creamy. I would love to see more products from them. I'd love to see like complexion products. I'd love to see their take on just a variety of different things, but I'm telling you guys, they will not disappoint. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know how you guys are doing. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.